All right, so this video is going to show you how to post an assignment in Google Classroom. Let's begin by going to the classwork tab at the top of the screen. Okay, as you'll see, we have a few assignments already posted here ahead of time, but I'm going to show you how to create them. Click the Create button. Let's go with an assignment. Okay, so you start by giving it a title. You can optionally give some directions here. Change the point value from the defaulted 100 to 50 or whatever number you want, or make it an ungraded assignment. Select a due date and even give it a time if you would like. So by midnight on Tuesday. You could also give it a topic. So this helps to organize your classwork, as you'll see later. I'm going to put this one under Unit 1, the Golden Age. Okay. You can also attach a file from your computer, clicking there. You could also attach something from your Google Drive by clicking there, attach something from YouTube by clicking there, and a link from the internet by clicking there. In this case, let's attach something from my drive. So there it is. Now I have the option where students can view the file, all students can edit the file, and each student gets their own copy. Most of the time, this might be what you want. Okay. Finally, I could assign it to multiple classes, right? Or if I'm only assigning it to one class, assign it to specific students to truly individualize instruction. When you're ready to assign it, you can click Assign, or if you're not quite sure that this is done, you can save a draft. If you don't want your students to see it right away, you can schedule a time, day and time for it to be seen, or you could just assign it right now by clicking Assign. And students get this right away. And so it's right here. Okay, so now, because I already had other things, maybe I want this to be the first thing my students see, so I can drag that up. Or maybe they need to finish Learning Outcome 1 before they do this title assignment. I could also move the entire unit around. So maybe I want the Unit 2 to go before Unit 1, right? But I can move it back also. All right, thanks for watching.